Health officials fear thousands may have been exposed to the measles at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure last month. Most of those who got the disease were not vaccinated against it. Here's Carter Evans.
With tens of thousands of visitors from around the world in close contact every day, the happiest place on Earth was an ideal place for the highly contagious disease to spread, according to epidemiologist Dr. Mark Zahn.
You can be reasonably near someone for even a few minutes and over time, and you can become infected.
Measles infections in the U.S. skyrocketed last year, with 610 cases reported. That's the highest number since 2000, when the disease that causes a rash, high fever, and red, watery eyes was considered to have been eliminated. The CDC says the increase is tied to a decline in child vaccinations.
The biggest concern issue you're going to have is the potential for more outbreaks.
Disneyland is located in Orange County, California, which reported the highest rate of measles in the state last year. It's also home to some of the state's highest numbers of unvaccinated children. Of the 20 people infected by the current outbreak, at least 15 were not vaccinated.
Let me look at your ear.
Orange County pediatrician Dr. Bob Sears is part of a small minority in the medical community that tells parents vaccinations are not always necessary.
Isn't it a doctor's responsibility to offer their patients the best medical science can offer?
You have to discuss the pros and the cons, and most doctors only discuss the pros.
The CDC says the risk of a serious allergic reaction to vaccines is less than 1 in a million. Still, when we spoke to Dr. Sears last summer, he said half of his patients choose not to vaccinate.
Parents just don't fear the diseases anymore. And then parents also don't want their baby or their child to have a bad side effect.
I think what parents are wanting are choices.
Rebecca Eastap stopped vaccinating her children after her son had a severe reaction. She encourages other parents to think twice.
They know they are taking this risk and that their child could be susceptible to some of the infectious diseases out there.
Most doctors would say the Disneyland outbreak is a wake-up call. Carter Evans, CBS News, Orange County, California.